Today in this video, we're going to be modifying the ultimate chicken tractor or slash chicken coop. We're going to be putting an automatic chicken door on it. The door we're going to be installing today is the Run Chicken Eternal, which is the solar power version of the Run Chicken doors that they make. So if we'll stand by, we'll open up the box and see what we got. Alrighty, this is how it came shipped. It came in a nice little cardboard box. It just opens up here. It's got the little picture on here, made in Slovenia. And I got a little something to admit here. I thought the emblem here, when I was always looking at these things, was an actual running chicken. That was just how it was supposed to look. But actually, that is the country of Slovenia. I did not know that. It's shaped like a running chicken. As you can probably see, well, I'll open it up here in a minute and you'll see something else. But we're going to open it up. When you open up the box, there's the panel in there with the door. Comes with a nice book. Comes with a quick little instruction here, some warnings. Talking about tightening down the screws, which we'll talk about that more a little bit later. And sorry, comes with a little package of screws to install it. And it comes with a nice little book here. And let's see if I can find out about what I was talking about Slovenia. Yeah, that's the country of Slovenia. So I did not know that. That just shows my ignorance. Something I learned something new every day. All right, the nice little book here. The door itself, I'll take it out of here. Nice little door. Okay, let's get these measurements right quick. The overall width is 9.5. Overall height is 13 3/4. And the door opening size is 8 and just shy of 7/8, and the width is 7 7/8. And just to talk about the door here, we got obviously we got the battery compartment and the motor area up here with a solar panel, a little light here that tells you different things. We got the little control button, and I'll remove this pull tab when I get ready to install it here in a minute. All right, I decided I want to install on this end of the coop, and I want it down low. And unfortunately, I don't have any place to connect it right there. I'll have to modify down here and put a little frame. So I'll be framing out this wire here so I can get this out here and it'll clear when it opens up and down. The easy way to install it is if you have a solid surface, such as the plywood on other kind of chicken coops. You hear this thing beeping. It's because it's picking up the sun. I don't have it activated because I haven't pulled the tab yet. But you would open up the door on this thing, and then you would just take and mark it out, the size of the frame here on your wood, drill out the corners, take a jigsaw, cut it out, and just install it like so. Put 6 screws in it. However, don't tighten the screws all the way up. It'll bind up the tracks and the door won't work correctly. All right, now that I got it framed out here, we can install this. And I made my opening about 7.5 inches wide here. I think that'll be good right there. Okay, I'm gonna take the screws that come supplied with it, and I'm just gonna screw it up here. Now, the little warning here basically says don't use power tools. I'm gonna use my drill. Just be careful, don't tighten it all the way down, or you will bind up the rails or damage it. It's a Phillips head. Or maybe not quite. The other one was kind of worn out. Oh, much better. Okay, now that's installed there, let's see if we can get this thing to work. All right. Voila, it opened. Awesome. Hopefully it works good. Hopefully it lasts a long time. All righty. If you found this video useful, please like or subscribe. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them below. And as always, thank you for watching. Right, Bobo?